Hi, I'm Mark Cantor. Thank you for visiting my law firm at Cantor & Berger. I want to talk to you about a conspiracy, a civil conspiracy not to pay you after you've been involved in an auto collision. Who are the conspirators? The co-conspirators are the insurance company, their agents, and their physicians. So what happens? You've been involved in a collision and your neck hurts. You go to the emergency room, you hope that you're going to get better. You wait a week, maybe 2 weeks. You get treatment. It's not helping, so you go and get chiropractic care, and then you end up with a medical doctor. And that may take 6 months. So what happens? The insurance company comes in and they say, you don't have an injury. You have degenerative changes. You have spondylolisthesis of your spine, arthritis. And then they don't want to pay you. Well, the problem with that is that first of all, either you bought insurance or the person that hit you bought insurance. And the reason they bought insurance is to pay when you've been injured. So they're trying to keep that money for themselves and not pay you. So that's the first element of this conspiracy. And the second element is these conservative doctors that they pick. You get to pick any doctor you want and you go for treatment. But a lot of these doctors make a lot of money from insurance companies, and you don't know who's on which side. Some people do have a lot of arthritic changes in their spine. But if you didn't have a problem in your neck or your back before the accident, and now you have a problem, and you believe it's from the accident, it's probably from that auto collision. And you ought to be paid for that. But they don't want to pay you. So you file a lawsuit, and then the insurance company gets to have you examined because we've made your body a part of the elements in your case, your damages. Then they send you to a doctor that says, oh, you're this age and you're this weight, whatever it is. They say it now, they say it more and more even for young people. But let's say you're like I am, 45 years old. They say, oh, you're old. If you smoke, I don't, but if you do, they say, oh, you're a smoker and that causes changes. These problems pre-existed your auto collision. That doctor has a lot of cases, many of them defended by the same in-house insurance attorney. And these insurance companies, they frequently have a whole law department, but they name it after someone else's name, after the head lawyer. So if I was a lawyer at one of these law firms, they'd say it the law firm of Mark Cantor, and then I would have a bunch of different lawyers, but really I was a wholly owned subsidiary of an insurance company. I'm paid by the insurance company. So this lawyer that comes in, and we're in Missouri, but we handle cases everywhere, they don't want the jury to know that they're in-house for the big insurance company. So there's all these little conspiracies that add up to this big conspiracy, which is not to pay you. The insurance company doesn't want to pay you. They want to take your statement right away. They want to investigate the case, and they want to blame everything else. They get favorable doctors that they know are going to be favorable because they've used them before to say all these different things to injure your case, to pay you as little money as possible. So there is a conspiracy against you, and you need competent representation or you won't get the money that you deserve. I could put myself out of business if the insurance companies acted without this conspiracy to try not to pay you. My job is safe because in the 20 years that I've been doing this, and since 2000 that I've been doing it with Gary Berger at Cantor & Berger, we repeatedly see insurance companies not treating our clients fairly. So call us. If the insurance conspiracy is not paying you and you need a lawyer to help break away from that conspiracy to get you the money you deserve, my name is Mark Cantor. My law firm is Cantor & Berger. I will personally represent you, or my law partner will, and this is all we do. 314-542-9999. Thanks for watching.